If Gimp text tool is giving you errors or your font size, font family, or color keeps acting weird, this video will help you fix it fast. I'm going to show you the most common Gimp text tool problems, including when the text options box disappears, when changes do not apply, and when your text layer is no longer editable. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Gimp tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's fix the missing text tool options box. If you cannot change the font size, font family, or text color because the settings panel vanished, that usually means the tool options dialog is hidden. To bring it back, go to Windows, then Dockable Dialogs, and click Tool Options. As soon as it opens, you should see the text settings panel return. Now, if you want to keep it from disappearing again, drag that newly opened tab back into your side dock. Once it is in place, look for the option that says Lock Tab to Dock and turn it on. This keeps the tool options anchored where you want them, so you are not constantly chasing the panel every time you restart Gimp or switch tools. If the panel is still acting bugged, there is one more fix you can try. Go to Edit, then Preferences, then Window Management. From there, click Reset Saved Window Positions to Default Values. This can clear out strange layout problems and bring Gimp back to a normal workspace. It is one of the best fixes when the interface seems broken, but the tool itself should still work. Next, let's fix the issue where your text changes do not apply, or the font keeps jumping back to sans, or the color keeps reverting to the old one. This is a very common Gimp text tool error, and it usually happens because the settings are being changed in the wrong place. If you are seeing a small floating pop-up on the canvas, do not rely on that tiny box for everything. Instead, use the main tool options sidebar panel. That main panel is the most reliable place to adjust your text settings like font family, size, color, and spacing. When Gimp gets confused, the sidebar usually works better than the on-canvas pop-up. If you are editing text that already exists, you also need to make sure the actual text is selected first. Click inside the text box, press Ctrl and A to highlight all the characters, and then change the font or color. If you skip this step, Gimp may only change part of the text or ignore the adjustment altogether. Selecting the text first makes sure your settings apply properly to the full text layer. Now here is the big one. And this is often the reason people think the text tool is broken when it is actually a layer issue. If you previously rotated, scaled, painted on, or otherwise transformed the text layer, Gimp may have converted it into a standard image layer. Once that happens, it is no longer editable text. To check this, go to your Layers panel and look at the layer icon. If it is not the large text symbol, or it no longer looks like an editable text layer, then Gimp has turned it into a normal raster layer. At that point, you cannot change the font, size, or text color the same way anymore. The fix is to create a brand new text layer and type the text again. That is why it is so important to know whether you are working with a real text layer or just an image layer that looks like text. If the layer has been rasterized, the text tool will seem broken because there is nothing left for it to edit. So to quickly recap, if your Gimp text tool error is that the options box is missing, restore it through Windows, Dockable Dialogs, and Tool Options. If the panel keeps disappearing, lock the tab to the dock. If the whole workspace feels buggy, reset the save window positions in Preferences. And if your text changes keep reverting, use the main Tool Options panel, select the text first, and check whether your layer is still editable text. If this tutorial saved you time, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss more fast Gimp fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.